guys, welcome back to Build with Nick. I am Nicolai Bano. I am a photographer, videographer, and a builder. And if you are new here, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I provide content in terms of how to build a house and few tips and tricks when you are constructing your house. Nonetheless, we are in the episode 3 of the Key Handover series. The first episode was in Cloverdale, the second one was in Beckenham, and the third one, which is currently sitting in, is in Brabham. We are in the heart of the Brabham, which is the Avonlea estate. I do like the estate. The reason being is they have a lot of new lands that have been developed. There are a few primary and secondaries, a primary and high school as well, and a shopping center around the corner. So we're gonna go around the house. I'm gonna give you a bit of a tour, a bit of information with the house. It is a 288 square meters land. It is approximately 198 to 200 square meters roof area. It is a 3x2. You have your master bedroom here, we have the 2-bedroom here, and we have the guest bathroom and guest toilet. We have the common area onto this side and the garage onto your right. So we're gonna go along. We're gonna visit first the common area. As you can see, we have a pretty spacious hallway. I do believe it is roughly 1.3 to 1.5 meters. The one that they're using is a 450 by 450 tiles. I do believe it is a Belga ivory tiles. So if you go along the house, it's quite spacious. You have your the living area over here. You have your kitchen over here. You have your dining table over here. As you can see, the one that they've chosen in terms of blinds, they went with a Venetian blind. So you have a lot of choices when you're picking the blinds. You either go with the Venetian, vertical, or the roller blinds. The house is, overall the house is a 31 core ceiling. Sorry, the living room, kitchen, dining room, that is 31 core ceiling, while the bedroom and the hallway, they are 21 core ceiling. I do like the bench top. The reason being is they put a outlet over here. They don't have to go all the way to charge their phone. It's a pretty smart idea. So we have the bench top here. It is approximately around 2 meters, and we have a quite spacious of kitchen. Along the cupboards, we have the cupboards over here. As you can see, the refrigerator will be on this side. And even though the pantry is not that big, we have a 4-shelf of pantry. And you have choices to when you're doing your pre-start. It's either you go with a walk-in pantry, a double pantry, or a single pantry. Alright, so they have chosen the standard hot plate. Compared to mine, I went with an induction, and I do like the tiles of their splashback. It somehow separates the color of the house with the blue splashback. And we have a small window under this area. We have the sink, and we have the dishwashing recess. As you can see, the house is not yet finished. They're gonna do the PCI compliance, or the PCI, which is the practical completion inspection, within the next few days. The cleaning tradie or the cleaning guy, they're gonna come here to finish everything, to remove the plastic cover, and to do the final cleaning. Alright, they have installed a pendant light as well, which is pretty good. I'm assuming they have bought this one in beacon lighting or spotlight. Okay, so before we proceed with the other bedrooms, we're gonna go to the laundry. And the design of their laundry is quite nice as well. And yeah, we have a walk-in linen onto the right side. We have the sink and a place to put your dishwashing. Alright, as you can see, the tiles in the laundry and the tiles on the common area is quite different. This one is a 300 by 300 tiles. You have option, whether you go big, whether you go small, it's all up to you. Before we head out, we're gonna proceed to the master bedroom and the two other bedrooms. So let's go to the master bedroom first. So I like how they separate the master bedroom and to the common area. It provides a bit of a privacy, so it doesn't look like it's compact and everything. If you're gonna ask what is the design name, so you can see in our website the design name, we call it Esperance Design. So it is a 3x2, 3x2 with 2 garage and a quite spacious al fresco area. So let's go to the master bedroom. Okay, so the master bedroom, I do believe it is a bit spacious. It is 3.4 by 3.8. The good thing about the master bedroom is they have a sliding door as well. So if they want to go out, have a coffee, chill in the morning, they can easily go out without going around the house. One more feature about their master bedroom is they have a massive sliding door. So they can, to believe they have 4. So they have one over here, they have one over here. So that's equivalent of 2 sliding door. And then you can separate the his and her. Onto this area, we have the ensuite toilet and the bathroom. So they've changed their screen to the black one, and they changed their rain shower or the shower, I'm not sure what you call that, but the shower to a black one as well. And their bench top is, I think their bench top is like gray compared to their bench top in the kitchen, which is white. So you can mix and match which one do you like, which one will be much more appropriate for your own design. So that's pretty much it. You have your shower, toilet, and your sink over here. So there's few more space over here to put your linen, to put your dirty clothes. Okay. All right. Let's head now in bedroom 2 and bedroom 3, which is over here, the main entrance of the house. So we have the bedroom 2 onto this area. They have a bit of similar similar size. Bedroom 2 and bedroom 3, they have a, I think, 3.5 by 3.2 or 3.5 by 3. Yeah, but it's a quite spacious bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. We do have the sliding door over here. We have the Venetian blinds, and they did maximize the window as well. As you can see, all of the bedrooms, they have carpet, so you can choose which carpet do you want. Okay, onto this area, we have the guest toilet to your left, and we have as well. I'm just gonna cut. And we have the guest bathroom over here. As you can see, the splashback is quite different as well compared to the master bathroom. And yeah, overall, it's a neat design, and it is a mixture of simplicity but yet contemporary design. Alright, so before we finish, before we go outside, we still have one more bed that we need to look, which is the bedroom number 2. So similar as the bedroom number 3, they have a similar style and similar outfit. They have the sliding door, they have the Venetian blinds, and a quite big window, and they have the black carpet as well. Alright guys, we are at the outside of the house. We have an alfresco here, and we have a bit more landscaping area here. It's quite big for a 280 square meters lot. You have plenty of space to host a party, to host a small gathering as well. As you can see, they went with a red brick, which is quite nice. It somehow connect with their design inside the house. The good thing about this estate as well is they provide fencing for free, and with this one, they have a retaining wall already. The garage, the alfresco, this one is 28 core ceiling as well, and they have few more outlets if they want to have, arrange a party or, connect it to a speaker, etc. They have a few more bricks that they can use when they're doing the landscaping. And yeah, we have a hallway here when they check to the garage. This one is the door going to the laundry, which is quite nice. Yes, quite spacious area for a 280 square meters lot. And yeah, like I said, we have a door going to the garage, which is here. All right, let's go to the garage. All right, so we have the garage here, which is a 28 core ceiling. The size is approximately 5.7 by 5.7 or 5.7 by 5.8. You have the Ethernet cable here, which you're going to connect through the NBN. You have the switch over here, and they've added an outlet as well. So yeah, it's a good size garage to fit in 2 cars. You can still fit in a 4x4. Alright guys, we are at the front of the house. This will be the last part of the video. As you can see, the lot is 12.5 by 25. It has a crossover all throughout. I do like the design of the house. They have a white garage that really complements with their white roof, white color bond roof, and they have a face brick or red brick and a bit of a white render as well. The main contrast render of their house is that color gray, dark gray over here. And yeah, overall the house really look nice. They have 2 more external lights. I do believe they have 1 over here and probably 1 on the other side. But overall, this one will really work. This house really complements the design of the exterior and interior of the house really complements to one another. The good thing about this location though is they have a primary school just right around the corner, and they have the ongoing construction of the shopping center just around the corner as well. Alright guys, that's it for the episode 3 of the key handover here in Brabham. A bit of a recap. The lot is a 280 square meters here in Brabham in Avonlea Estate. The roof area is 98 square meters. It is a 12.5 by 25 depth, and it is a 3 by 2 with 2 garage, and you have more space for your parking. It has a bit of a space as well with the alfresco, and yeah, overall the design is pretty good. Alright, if you guys have any question with this design, it is an Esperance design. I am more than happy to discuss this one with you if you have any question. Nonetheless, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. Hit that bell button, hit that like button as well, and feel free to share my video. Alright guys, thank you so much. Bye!